How to fix if your Clickbank account has been disabled. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to fix this issue, first and foremost, open any of your preferred browser and search for Clickbank account. Once you reach to clickbank.com, tap on the three horizontal lines which is on the top right. This is to open the menu. From here, select on support. Once you click on support, it will give you different options. Scroll down and click on customer support option. There are various ways by which you can contact them. The first one would be chat, or the next one would be calling them. Make sure that it is available at that moment and then tap on chat now. Explain how your account has been disabled and you would like to recover it. You can also provide your email and the use of the live chat option for assistance. So this is how you can recover your disabled account in Clickbank. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.